Hello everyone. So today in my climbing system I'm going to show you how to make the character move in a curved wall like this. So character keep moving. Character can move to left and right without leaving the wall, even if the shape of the wall is not a straight line. Right. Let me show you what happens when I try to move on a curved ledge at the moment. So this is what happens. Character don't understand the curve. He tries to move in a horizontal straight line. So how can we fix this? Let me first open my character blueprint. It should right, and yeah, when I am on the wall, this part defines what happens when my character is on the wall. So let's collapse this into another node so that it's clear. Let me just, all right, now we can collapse this node. Okay, so here I do a line trace, and this line trace detects if I have space in the right side or left side. So let me show you again with the debug lines enabled. Right, it's like this. So now what I have to do is this. Let me split this, and then if this is true, that means I have a hit, and then I can get the hit location. Right, let's get the hit impact point, and then what is the length I have to maintain in order to keep this guy on the wall? I think I can find it here. Yeah, it's 60. Okay, let's so what I have to do is get the hit impact point and get hit impact normal multiplied by 60, add it to this, and this is the target location. So I should get actor location. Yeah, I already have it here. So let's look at rotation. The starting point is this, and this is the ending point. Well, not really. I don't have to do this. All I have to do is get the direction vector from this as the target point from the actor's location, and then get the normalized vector. And let's take that as the word direction. So in this case I should only use +1 because the direction of this vector will change. Okay, let's see what happens now. Let's move to the left. As you can see, the character sticks with the wall, but it does not rotate. So let's fix that now. To fix the rotation problem, actually, we can do this. Again, I'm gonna need find look at rotation. Right, let's do this. So we should always keep the character perpendicular to the normal of the ledge surface. So yeah, let's try this first. Hit impact normal, multiply this by -1, otherwise character will rotate to the opposite side of the ledge, and then get rotation from X vector, and then let's set actor rotation, and let's lerp this, get actor rotation. We have this R interp, current is this one and target is this one. I'm not sure about these values. Let's try 0.1. I don't know. Let's see if that works. Well, it kind of works, but not good enough. Maybe shall we try increasing this speed 0.5. That's too high. Okay, this seems alright, but still I have to adjust the hand location to perfectly match with the ledge, but we can fix it. I can go round and round. How can I fix this length? Right, maybe I can, here instead of 60, let's put 50. Okay, that has fixed the issue to some extent, but perfectly match the hands. I think I have to use eye case. Oh, I have to modify the objects of the game world to match with characters animations, but you get the point. You can work from this and make the perfect climbing ledge movement system. And yeah, I'm gonna stop this episode at this point, and thanks for watching. If you would like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.